Yo, what is up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to make Supreme slides. So let's get straight to the video. So guys, for this project you will need a regular pair of slides. I have Nike slides. You'll need 2 Supreme printouts. Colored is better. Or you can just go through a Sharpie. Clear tape. And if you'd like to laminate this Supreme, then box tape. So guys, for the first step, we're going to take the Nike slides and we're going to take one of the printouts and we're going to put it like this. So it starts from here, it goes all the way around to the slide, and we're going to tape the edges. So let's do that right now. Alright guys, we have added the tape to the sides, so it should stick like this. But now the problem is if anything comes here, it's going to break. So that is when we need the box tape. So to use the box tape, we have to put the tape around the Supreme logo. So let's do that now. Alright guys, we have put the tape across, so it's now laminated. So now even if rainwater hits it, the Supreme sticker will stay. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Very easy to make. Thanks for watching guys. Please sub to my channel, like this video, and can we get this video to 10 likes? Peace.